Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how you can generate and create a Shopify store using AI Store Builder and make your store look something like this in less than 10 minutes using only AI, guys. Okay, so basically, this is a Debutify's AI Store Builder, and it can help you create a Shopify theme that looks like this. Okay, and besides that, the Beautify's AI Store Builder not just comes with the actual store builder and the Shopify theme, but it also includes almost 90 Shopify widgets built into the theme itself, right? So when I say widgets, I basically I'm referring to these ones over here. So these sticky announcement bars, these scrolling bars right here, guys. So all these sections, right? And also you have a really nicely styled review section, and you can put in whatever information you want, right? So again, we know when you're starting off with the Shopify store, you don't have a lot of previews. So you can always ask your friends or family to order something from you. And then you can nicely put these reviews in here, put their image or even product image, right? And everything is in your hands to then customize it the way you want. Exactly, guys, okay? And just look at that. You have these like nice Instagram integration sections, right? All the unique value proposition sections, FAQs, and all of this is coming with the beautified theme, guys. Okay, so let me just show you the product page as well, because the product page is absolutely amazing in terms of how well it's packed from a value perspective, guys. Look at that. You have the newsletter pop-ups. Okay, so this is really important to collect newsletters, to collect emails for your newsletters, right? So to build up your email campaigns later on, right? You have all these sticky add to carts, and guys, this is like so important for average order value, to increase your average order value for your Shopify business, guys. Okay, so if you're a product, you can easily upsell similar products, and you can either choose it yourself or you can use the dynamic option where basically AI will decide which products to upsell to your customer, right? And again, here you have like really nice Debutify reviews. So everything is coming packed with the Debutify theme, guys. And you can use the AI Store Builder to basically help you to get to something like this, guys. Okay. And look at all these sections. They're absolutely gorgeous. Everything's nicely styled. And if I go to a mobile, so let me just switch to the mobile. Guys, look at that. It's optimized out of the box for all mobile devices because, as you guys already know, everything in DTC, especially all the traffic is mostly coming from mobile devices. Between 60 to 70% is mobile. So if your store is not mobile optimized, like the Beautify here, right, you will be losing conversions, right, and your Shopify store will not succeed, guys. Okay, so mobile first is like super important in 2025, even before that. So if you don't want to deal with developers and spend thousands of dollars on optimizing for mobile, then the Beautify is definitely the way to go. Okay, guys, I hope you're excited. Let me show you how you can get the Beautify and how you can get it for only $1 for the first month, and also how you can get Shopify for only $1 for the next 6 months, guys. Okay, let's go ahead. Let me show you that. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna head to debutify.com, okay, because this is where the magic will start. So first of all, to get Debutify for only $1, all you need to do is just to click here on try for $1 for 30 days, okay? And then it's gonna bring you to the Debutify to create an account. It's super easy. Let me just show you. So you're gonna go here. You can literally just sign in with the Google, and it's gonna do the whole registration for you. There's gonna be a couple more check marks to go through, but really easy. Takes about 5 minutes, not more than that. Okay. So once you create an account, it's going to look something like this. And then all you need to do, click on the open over here. Guys, let me just walk you through quickly through all the features, right? So look at that. We have AI tools, and here is the AI Store Builder that will do all the heavy lifting for you. Okay. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on prompt-based store building and literally explain what kind of store you want to get or build, and AI will do pretty much everything for you, right? It can be pet store, fashion store, and anything you want. And once you generate the store using AI, you will receive an email with a zip file, which you basically just bring to Shopify and install that as a theme. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, for example, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say build a fashion store for me, and that's it. I'm going to click on hit enter, and then it's going to do its thing. And guys, it's going to be super fast. It's going to be less than a minute even. So we have 30, 40, okay, 50%, okay. And we're going to hit the finish line. Yes, nice guys. So there it is. So it was successfully created. then click continue, and you're gonna get an email. So so the email is gonna go to the account that you just created with Debutify. So whatever email you left on the Debutify account, that's exactly where you're gonna get that zip file. And the email is gonna look like this, right? So once it's good to go, guys, it's gonna send you an email like this, and just click on download your theme, and you should receive a zip file, which we're gonna bring to Shopify in a second, guys. I'm gonna show you everything. Okay, don't worry about it. So now I'm gonna go back to my Shopify, guys. Guys, if you don't have the Shopify yet, guys, again, go back to debutify.com and make sure to click on this banner that says start free trial under Shopify, okay? Because when you do, it's gonna bring you to this landing page, and you can get Shopify for $1 for the next 3 months, guys. Okay, I believe I initially said it was 6 months, which was the case actually a week ago or so. So Shopify is changing this frequently, guys. Okay, so when I tell you go and take advantage of that promo, definitely do, because this was actually 3 months, literally last week, and now it's 3 months. Okay, so we never know, maybe next week it's going to be only a month or 2 months. So make sure that you take advantage of this promo ASAP, guys. Okay, just enter email and you're going to create an account with Shopify, and it takes about like 5 minutes or even less, guys. Okay, so once you do that, your Shopify should look like this. Obviously, you're not going to have all this data because yours is going to be blank. So to start with the Debutify, guys, all you need to do, just go to online store right here and under the themes, right? So you can go also check out the Shopify themes right here. But again, Shopify themes don't have 90 plus widgets, and they are not AI pre-built, right? So you're not gonna have the same quality Shopify theme for sure, and it won't be as fast, and definitely not as many options as the Debutify has, right? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna click on import theme from the zip file. The only thing, I think I've hit my limit for the themes. So if you have too many themes, guys, you just need to maybe delete one or two of them. So let me just delete a couple of couple themes here. I'll remove this one and that one. And now we should have enough space to upload the zip file. Let's do that. And right here is the zip file, and click upload file. And that's how you guys basically install Shopify theme. So if you're a beginner and it's your first time, congratulations. You just installed your first Shopify theme, guys. Congrats. Okay, so it's good to go. So now if you want to see how it looks like, I click on customize. Okay, and there you go. You might see something like this. So if you see these red announcement bars or badges, basically it says that the widgets are disabled, right? So by default, the Shopify widgets from the Debutify will be disabled. All you need to do, just go to theme settings, then scroll down to paid widgets, and then enable them from right here. Okay, so once you activate all your widgets, these warning signs should be gone. But again, these are warning signs really just for you. Your customers won't see that. It's really just to tell you, hey, like there's like a couple of widgets you have and they're basically disabled. So again, if you want to enable them and get rid of those messages, just go to a settings, then to paid widgets, and basically enable the ones that you want to use. If not, simply remove the section, right? So for example, if I don't want to use the announcement bar widget, simply remove that and save, and then the error message will be gone if you don't want to use it at all. Okay, that's about it, guys. So if I want to remove that, then you're going to click save, and the change will take effect. So just to show you like how many actually widgets you have, guys, hey, just look at that, guys. Add to cart animation, back in stack, back to top. Honestly, if I would have to list all of them, it would take me like hours. But guys, look at that. All of this is coming with the theme itself. Okay, if you would have to do this to a third-party Shopify apps, that would cost you so much more money, guys, than just going with the Debutify, guys. Okay, and all these sections, guys, and everything is modular, meaning that you can literally modify every single thing that you want to, right? And everything is changeable, modifiable, meaning that your store will be 100% unique, and it won't be anything like your competitors have, guys. Okay, and this is basically a no-code Shopify theme. Drag and drop everything exactly the way you want it. So for example, if I want to add a section, I'm going to click on add section. And here I can add anything I want. For example, image with text, I'm going to do that. And boom, guys, here is section. Just add an image here. So for example, I choose the image. Let me choose just something like this right here. Click on done. And there you go, guys. And then just adjust the copy, right? So if you want to change the copy, click on the block right here and just say, hi, this is my first store. Okay, just like that, guys, and click save. And that's as easy as it is, guys. Okay, so the same thing goes for the product page, guys. If I go to my products, and if you want to switch to product template where you can edit the products, click here, products, and then on default product template. Okay. The only gotcha moment I want to say, if you haven't added any products yet to your Shopify, it will be basically blank, but I'll show you in a second how to add products quickly to your Shopify store as well, okay? So here again, you can play around with the product template exactly how you want it, right? So you have these like super nice, frequently bought together sections, guys. Just look at that, all the badges and everything just is super nicely organized. You have accordion menus, you have a lot of bundles and you can do everything that you want. For example, let me show you how easy it is to add. Right, for example, I feel like this could use a product bullet points, right? Because, well, when you're selling something like this, you want to kind of communicate the value proposition for this product, what's really unique or different about it, right? So what you're going to do, you're going to go to the Debutify widgets right here, and I'm going to look for something called product bullet points right here, this one, right? And I'm going to click on add a block, add a point, and here I'm going to say, this is my product. And guys, here is the bullet point. And guys, look how nicely it's designed. Okay, so you can even put emojis. If you want to, you can change the icons. So if I click on view all available icons, I can choose from all of these Google font based icons and replace them in here. So let me just, for example, do a check mark here. I'll click on check mark and I need basically the icon name right here. Okay, I'll copy that. I'll bring that in here and I'll just replace it like this. Okay, and there you go, guys. That was just as easy as that. Okay, so if I want to add something to a product page template, or basically this section right here, I'm going to go to a product template section right here. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to click on product information, and here I can basically drop these elements. So maybe I feel like the price should be under the title. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the price block like this, and I'm going to drag it under the title. And that's how easy it is. Or maybe I feel like I don't want this in stock. Basically, not a notification, but sort of a block telling people if the product is in stock or it's out of stock, right? I mean, you could change it too. Something like this is in stock. So copy is up to you, really easy to change. If you don't want to show it, just simply hide the block, and there you guys go. Now you're gonna have a much cleaner experience, and literally you can drag and drop things exactly how you want it. Or maybe I feel like adding a section on the product page. So let's say I want to add a collection list here. I'm going to choose collection list, and here is the collection list. And from here, I'm just going to choose which collection I want to render out. For example, tops and shirts. Again, not relevant for the pet store. I have other random products for demo and testing. But again, this would be relevant in your case. And here you would basically show the collections if you want to maybe, increase your average order value, or, just kind of let people explore collections from the product page. Really, so really up to your business strategy. But my point is, it's as easy as that to add any type of sections on your product page as well. Okay, guys, and then just make sure to always click save. If not, all your changes will be lost. Okay, guys, next up, if you want to add the product, you're going to go to Shopify, click on products right here, and just basically add your products right here. So if you are somebody who is holding products at home or in your warehouse, right? So if you're, for example, buying stuff from China, and you're going to be doing the whole fulfillment yourself, then this is where you're going to add. The mandatory fields are titles, the prices, you need also description, and also the stock quantity. So just make sure to input the quantity on hand, right, and all the data, but that's how we basically add the products. If you don't want to hold the products, I would suggest using something called AutoDS. AutoDS is basically a AI first job shipping platform. So you can choose any of these products and import them directly into your Shopify store and start selling them literally an hour later, right? So just adjust the images, adjust the copy, adjust the pricing strategy, and you are pretty much good to go. And you just import that as a draft, and it's going to go directly to your Shopify products. That's as easy as it is. So it's called AutoDS, and you can get that from Shopify App Store, okay? And if you want to kind of decide which winning product to sell, so if you're going with job shipping, you need to understand what is a winning product and what is trending. Again, you can use that from Debutify. If you go to Debutify, it's going to be under the Product Research Center, Product Explorer, right? And here, basically, you're going to get the data from AliExpress and AutoDS. So this is basically linked directly to AutoDS, right? So you can basically see which products are trending in job shipping niche and what's the price for the product. So, for example, there's a tea. Looks like health products are trending. Okay, so we have a lot of products, right? Like, let me go to another page. For example, let's say this women top, right? So it goes for $31. So now you know, okay, so if it's selling for 31, I should probably sell it for something like maybe 49.99, right? So depending on the product, right? And you can directly import that to your store from Debutify. And all of this data is coming from AutoDS, guys. Okay, so really cool stuff. You have all the winning product research center directly in Debutify. Because if you guys have used something like Minea or maybe Zik Analytics, right? So that's going to cost you an extra. But now all of this is coming with the Beautify. So you have Shopify team, AI Store Builder, a bunch of AI tools, and even Product Research Center if you're doing job shipping. Guys, as a last bonus, the Beautify offers a free .store domain through a .store domain platform, right? So all you need to do is just enter your domain that you want, click search if it's available. It's going to take you to that store domain to create an account. And guys, it's 100% free for the first year. So you have a store builder and Shopify theme through the Beautify for only $1 for the 30 days. You have a professional .store domain for your Shopify store, and then you get Shopify for only $1 for the next 3 months, guys. Okay, so the full package, everything is ready to go to successfully kick launch your Shopify business, guys. Okay, and yeah, that's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe and enable those notifications so you get notified when the next video drops. Because always value packed, and a lot of times we provide free docs and free PDFs to make your life easier so you can focus on building your business rather than on technical details. And guys, you already know, as always, happy building, and I'm gonna see you next time.